everyone, welcome to Liam's Toy Time. Hey everyone, welcome to Liam's Toy Time. Today we have the new Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Blizzard Bashers. Let's start with Podium Crasher that the Tooth Fairy brought yesterday. It has a frozen ice sculpture number 5, some treads on the top, some sponsors, the Hot Wheels logo, Monster Trucks, a giant Hot Wheels logo right there, purple rims, a purple roll cage, clear wheels.
Can I zoom in on that truck and kind of see some of those features?
Podium Crasher.
Can I see the top? All right.
And our next Blizzard Basher is Torque Terror. Let's open it up. Oh, it's kind of stiff. Come on, open. And each truck comes with a team flag. Let's get the team flag first. Here's the team flag. It has Monster Trucks on this side and Blizzard Bashers on that side. The thing we've been waiting for, the truck. Ta-da! Torque Terror, here he is. With frosty flames and more frosty flames. The Hot Wheels logo on the top, Hot Wheels logo on the back, Hot Wheels logo on the side, Monster Trucks logo right there, and we got clear wheels that look purplish. And looks like another purple roll cage. Milky white rims and a kind of a metallic-ish ocean water look.
They're very cool and very different because if you look at the tires on the first truck, what is the name of it again, Liam?
Podium Crasher.
If you look at Podium Crasher, the wheels or the tires rather, are like a very light blue.
But Torque Terrors are kind of purplish.
Right. So they're from the same Blizzard series, but they're very different, but very cool.
Let's race. Ready, set, go! Podium Crasher.
We won.
Podium Crasher.
Podium Crasher.
That is our champion.
That was just a quick race.
Torque Terror kind of caught up.
All right, everybody. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Any comments on the trucks, please leave those in the comments area. And if you like what you've seen and you would like to, please subscribe to Liam's Toy Time.
Catch you later. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Catch you later.